Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Marta, aka Obscure Beauty, and it's a pleasure having you here. Do you notice something different? Perhaps a bit more vacant around here? I'm filming this from my newly and first bought house. We moved over like the last 2 weeks, and there's still a lot to be done, lots of boxes, reason why I didn't shoot last week. And the screen is still fairly empty today, but I hope to be able to show you around one of these days. Excited! Anyway, a special thank you to all my subscribers who are awesome for all the support. Thank you. The question for today: do you want to be a full-time artist? Well, if that's true, unless you have a lot of money that can support you forever, not me. You need to find out how to make a good chunk of money as an artist, so it can support you in the future. So today we're going to explore all the possible ways to get some income as an artist and how to potentially tackle them. I want to start by saying that I am a beginner artist in all of this, and I'm quite proud on how my art has evolved over the past few months, although I'm probably the first to say there's still so much for me to learn. But like I said, this has all happened over the last few months, and just drawing and painting by itself does not make you any money. So I'm going to share what I know and what I feel it might work for you and for me, because I'm still learning and pretty much doing or going to do everything that I'm going to be mentioning here, like honestly. So first things first, be out there. Like I explained on my previous video, I'll put the link down below in the description or maybe on the top of this video if I ever figured out how to do it. I think that the best way to start as an artist is to stretch yourself as thin as possible while still being consistent and maintaining your mental health healthy. Not what I'm doing nowadays, but I actually stopped being a bit consistent because of the house moving. Anyway, so far, and since I made the last video, I'm getting commissions from all social media I dabbled in, including my DeviantArt and Reddit. And that's to say, commissions are probably the main idea most people have to make money as an artist, including me. So yeah, spread the word about yourself and what you do everywhere. And you can and might just be lucky enough to get commissions from those places. You can also search in specific websites to get commissions. The most known one, I think, that comes to my mind at least, is Fiverr, and I also have a little account there that I'll put on the description below, just so you can have a look on how it looks and how it works. But I'll talk more about commissions on another video, and this is just to say that commissions are probably the first thing that comes to your mind when we talk about making money as an artist. And as awesome as making commissions is, it actually doesn't seem like the best way for me. And hear my reasoning here, right? I've made a little math calculation, and I'm the first to say I'm terrible at maths, marketing, or anything business related, so don't roast me here. But at my current commission prices rates, they're definitely not the lowest one around there, by the way, nor the highest, but at the current price, to make a proper living out of them, I'd need 27 commissions of the most expensive commission that I do in a month. And this is a full body, full shaded character without the background or anything. Now, a month has around 30 days, and I usually take about 7 to 8 hours on average to make one of these illustrations. Sometimes less, and sometimes, very likely, more. But what I mean with all of this is that I'd need to draw every single day with barely any rest, and this is not doable. The main reason being I actually have a main job, but also because I need to keep my health and sanity during this adventure, if I have anything left. And so do you. So, what options do we have left? Plenty! although I find them very, very hard to tackle. So I'd say that unless you have some sort of training or a specific goal in mind, your second main bet for income is probably going to be or come from places like Patreon or Ko-fi. There might be other websites, but what matters here is that people can follow and subscribe to you there for possibilities of interacting more with you or having little gifts. And in return, they pay you monthly, which starts looking a lot like income. So I guess this is probably an amazing goal for all artists. You still have to work for it, right? But it might be a bit more relaxed than commissions, I think. Problem being, you actually need an amazing following for this to work, which I don't have yet. Anyway, next, you can sell your works as prints, pins, stickers, or other bubbles. You can do this in several places like Etsy or specific websites like Redbubble. Now, I'm not affiliated with any of this, by the way. This is just all about my experience with things and what I know. And these are great in the sense that people can find you even if they don't know you. You can also sell them on your own website or Ko-fi, but for that, people actually need to know you to find you. And again, you'll need a following for that to happen. Something else you can do is sell your digital stuff, and I'm talking here about brushes, gradient maps, stamps, tutorials, and walkthroughs, and basically everything. You can put them in places such as Gumroad or Cubebrush. And wait, I actually have a code for this one. That will give you 20% discount on your first purchase and 10% for me the next time I purchase something, which I don't do very often anyway. I'll write it down below here. And you can sell your tutorials on places such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Domestika, or again Cubebrush. Now, these are all nice because they'll provide you with money, but yeah, I mean, you have to work hard to make these products initially, but then you can just relax and get that passive income. I actually say this, but I haven't managed to do anything of this just yet, but you know, you can do it. And then you can actually try and work as an illustrator or concept artist on a studio or a company in general. Woo! And this is where I have basically zero advice. I mean, seriously, I've sent some emails to small companies, game companies, or book publishers, just asking for what they'd like to see on portfolios and stuff, and I've had zero replies. Obviously, you can just go to ArtStation website and see portfolios there and get your ideas from them and even apply for jobs there. But I was mainly just expecting like a random general answer, any answer from these guys, and nothing. You can also search on Reddit for jobs with video game companies. There's a ton of competition there, and usually they also ask for some 3D experience or experience in general, which I don't have. More common than not, volunteering is what you'll have more chances with being accepted, but that also means that if you're new like me, you won't very likely get a good experience because no one will want to bother explaining you how, you know, the trademarks, because, you know, it's a volunteering job, or at least that's what my experience with it was, and I didn't enjoy volunteering for a game company. Anyways, so these are the main ways to earn some income as a newbie artist. The first ones are especially for those like me, without any experience, besides actually drawing and painting. I'm totally open for new income ideas, so please comment down below if I missed something, and if I said something blasphemous about art and art income, well, I'm happy to listen, so just write it down below. And to be honest, pretty much anything is possible in the world of arts if you actually give it a pretty good attempt, so you can just try. So I'm gonna leave you for now, as I think this is a pretty extensive video already, and I'll just quickly remind you to please like this video, and if you actually like this video, please subscribe to me for more content on art and making a living as a beginner artist like me. Also follow me on my social media. I'd love to see your art, comment and share it. All my social media links are down below in my description, so just go there and have a look. And I love you and leave you. Stay safe and see you all next week. Bye bye!